Alright, so as you can see on the screen, I have 4 Arista switches. The top 2 are spines and the bottom 2 are leaves, and in the center is a console session to the web server, and the next tab is a console session to the Ansible server. So currently right now the switches are booting through the ZTP process, and hopefully we'll download the basic install script. Now we'll take a look at the basic script that is on the web server. And as you notice, this is all written in basic Arista CLI syntax. And notice the first line there is to copy the Ansible public key into the flash of those switches. So currently right now, the switches are still going through a ZTP process, and hopefully they will obtain an IP address from the DHCP server. Now on the Ansible server, as you can see, we have some of the files that we're going to run against these machines. Okay. So let's take a look here now. So it's retrying zero touch provisioning, and now these are the 2 hosts that will be communicating between each other once these switches come online. Okay, retrying the ZTP process right now. Take a few seconds here. Okay, it looks like one of the leaves has gotten an IP address from the DHCP server and is executing and downloading the script. So one of the leaves has already obtained an IP address and the script. It looks like one of the spines as well on the top right. And now the bottom right leaf has obtained an IP address and the script, as well as the spine on the top left. Excellent. So now we'll download the script and we'll reboot once that is completed. As the switches are booting up, take a moment to think about what is happening here. All 4 switches are automatically downloading a configuration scripts, rebooting and setting the IP address, and any ancillary basic connectivity that is needed for the web and the Ansible server. Just imagine you are at a console session of one of these switches, copying and pasting and rebooting, and think about, you probably still be working on one of those spine switches right now. Okay, just a little bit longer here. Okay, so looks like the bottom left leaf has downloaded a script, and we can see it says Arista right there. We can log in right now with admin, and we'll do a show run on the configurations. I'll scroll up here, and as you can see, it has been configured with the Ansible public key and some of the basic Arista configurations based upon the install script. Excellent. Now let's go ahead and wait for the other switches to come up. And looks like another 10 seconds later, all of the switches are up and running with the basic install script. Excellent. So I'll log into each one of these. There we have it. Next spine as well. And now the last leaf. Great. And we're good to go. And just these leaves right now. Okay, so now I'm going to bring my hosts on. And let's see if I could ping between the 2 of them. So I'll ping 12.12.12. And let's see if there's any connectivity. And as you can see, there's no connectivity. So now we'll go on the Ansible server. We'll go ahead and run Ansible playbook against the spine using the spine1.yaml. Got my tasks. Everything is okay. Changes are made. And looks like everything was successful. Now I will go ahead and run spine2.yaml on spine2. Run those tasks. I'll be running 4 ad hoc commands against these switches. And now I'll go ahead and do leaf1.yaml Okay, looks like those configurations have taken. Changes are made and we're good to go. No errors thus far. And in these playbooks, we're configuring IP addresses between the upstream and downstream spine and leaf, along with OSPF, VLANs, and IP addressing. And as you can see, the JCCs are coming up between spine 1 and leaf 1. And shortly, we'll have the JCCs between spine 2, leaf 2, spine 2, leaf 1, and spine 1, leaf 2. And the JCCs are coming up right now. Okay, and there we have it. Spine 2, leaf 1. Okay, look like all the JCCs have taken effect. And there we have our OSPF route to our host 12.12.12. And as well as OSPF connectivity to the 11.11.11 subnet. And now we can ping our host